Yan. So for today's discussion, we are going to focus on the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. So before we move on sa ating main discussion, let's have first the definition na ma-encounter natin in this video. So we have the sum. When we say sum, it is the answer to an addition problem. And we have the added. So the numbers you added together to get the sum. So pag pinag-a-add natin yung two numbers, ang tawag sa kanila ay yung sa dalawang number na yon, ang tawag sa kanila ay addend. And the answer to that is the sum. Let's say for example, we have 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. The 6 and 9, that's the addend, and 15, that is the sum. So for the first one, which is the mean is also the means or the average. Tinatawag din siyang means or average. To be more specific, yung mean is defined as the average of a group of numbers. So mean, dinedefine siya as the average of the group of numbers. So kung alam na natin yung idea or meaning ng term ni average, magigets na natin kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng mean. So to be more specific, what are the steps in finding the mean of a group of numbers? So yung first step in finding for the mean, for the step 1, let's say given a set of numbers 8, 10, 12, 18, 22, and 26, the first step for us to get the mean of this number is to add all the numbers. We add all the numbers. Again, ang una pong step natin is we just add all the numbers. So adding all the numbers, that is 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 18 plus 22 plus 26, that would equal to 96. Again, the first step is to add all the numbers. After adding all the numbers, our step number 2 is to divide the sum by the number of addends. Okay, how many addends do we have? If we are going to count, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 addends. Yan. So para naman sa ating step number 2, again, we divide the sum by the number of addends. The number of addends is 6. Ang ating pong sum ay 96. We divide lang them together. So 9 divided 6 is 1. 1 times 6 ay 6. And we subtract 9 minus 6. That would give us 3. Bring down 6. And we repeat the process. 36 divide 6. That would give us 6. And 6 times 6, we have 36. 36 minus 36, that's equal to 0. Therefore, ang ating pong mean or average of these numbers ay 16. So yung steps na ginawa natin is we just add all of the numbers. After adding all the numbers, we divide it by the number of addends. Dinivide lang natin siya sa kung ilang numbers na nandun lahat. So that's the mean. Let's have here an example. What is the mean of these numbers? 11. Paano nakuha ang 11? We add lang them together. 7 plus 10 plus 16. That's equal to 33. And 33, divide natin by 3. Kasi tatlong numbers yung nandyan. 7, 10, and 16. Kaya po ang sagot natin ay 11. Let's have another one. What is the mean of these numbers? We have 2, 9, 14, and 27. What's your answers? Okay, 13. You add lang them together. 2 plus 9 plus 14 plus 27. And then yung sagot natin, divide lang din natin sa 4. That would give us 13. How about this one? What is the mean of these numbers? For us to get the mean of these numbers, again, I'll just repeat it. We add all of them and we divide by the total number of addends. Kung ilan lahat yung number na pinag-a-add natin. moving forward, let's have another example. What is the mean of these numbers? We have 26, 33, and 41. We have 52 also. And so therefore, ang sagot po natin ay 38. We add lang them together, divide the sum by 4. That's why we have 38. Okay. Now moving forward, let's now have the word median. So median is in the middle. Okay. By definition, median is defined as the middle number in a set of ordered numbers. Again, median is defined as the middle number in a set of ordered numbers. Let's say we have here 1, 3, 7, 10, and 13. For us to get the median, we look for the middle number. The middle number is 7. That's why the median is equal to 7. What are the steps in finding for the median? To be more specific, let's say given natin ay 21, 18, 24, 19, and 27, the first step is for us to arrange the numbers in order form from least to greatest. I-arrange lang natin yung set of numbers in order form from least, mula sa pinakamaliit hanggang sa pinakamalaking number. Let's say for our example, arranging this number from least to greatest, that would result to 18, 19, 21, 24, and 27. Again, median is defined as the middle number in an ordered form. Now, we look for the middle number. That's for the step 2. We find for the middle number, and the middle number is 21. Therefore, 21 is our median. Pero what if there are two middle numbers? How are we going to find the median? So if there are two middle numbers, for us to find the median of these two numbers, ganito lang po ang gagawin natin. Let's say we have 18, 19, 21, 25, 27, and 28. Mapapansin natin na we have two middle numbers. Now, how are we going to find for the median? Ang gagawin lang po natin is we add the two numbers. How do we find again the median if there are two middle numbers? We just add the two numbers. Mapapansin natin that's 21 and 25. We add lang them together. That's 21 plus 25. That is equal to 46. And 46, we divide that by 2. I-divide natin sa 2. And the result is 23. Therefore, ang ating median is 23. Again, kapag meron tayong set of numbers and then there are two middle numbers, we add lang them together, we divide that by 2, and that would be the median. Example, what is the median of these numbers? 16, 10, and 7. We arrange lang that together, look for the middle number, and that's why our median is equal to 10. How about this one? So we arrange lang them together. We look for the middle number. Ang ating pong median is equal to 11. Let's have another example. What is the median of these numbers? 53, 5, 81, 67, 25, and 78. So for us to find the median, we arrange the numbers in increasing order. And then we look for the middle number. There are two middle numbers. We add them together, 53 plus 67, divide by 2. That's why our median is equal to 60. Next, we have the mode. Now, the mode is the most popular. This is the most popular part of the ungrouped data. Bakit kaya? So by definition, it says that mode is the number that appears most frequently in a set of numbers. I'll repeat, mode is the number that appears most frequently in a set of numbers. Let's say we have here a set of numbers 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 7, 10, and 13. Mapapansin natin, 1 appeared thrice, 3 appeared twice, while the rest of the number appeared once. So by definition, it says that the mode daw is the number that appears most. So ibig sabihin, based from that definition, we can conclude that mode is equal to 1. Kasi si 1 appear most. Siya yung madaming beses nag-appear. Therefore, ang ating mode for the set of numbers ay equal to 1. What are the steps for us to find the mode? The first step is for us to arrange the data values either in ascending or descending order. Pero actually, without arranging the set of values, by just looking at the set of numbers, makikita na natin agad ano yung mode ng set of numbers. To be more specific, to be more systematic, ang ginagawa natin for us to get the value of the mode ay ina-arrange muna natin in ascending or descending order. Pero without actually ascending and descending order, unang tingin pa lang natin, makikita na natin what is the mode. Kasi mode is kung sino yung number na nag-a-appear most. Kung sino yung number na nag-a-appear ng mas madaming beses, then that would be the mode. So para maging systematic lang, ang ating first step is we need to arrange the data values either in ascending or descending order. So we arrange that in increasing order or the ascending order. That becomes 18, 18, 19, 21, and 24. Yan. And next, find the number that is repeated the most, and that is equal to 18. Twice nag-appear si 18 and the rest is just only once. Kaya ang ating pong mode is equal to 18. Okay, that's equal to 18. Let's have another example. Which number is the mode? Sige nga, you can type your answers on the chat box. The mode is equal to the 8. How about this one? Ay, wala pa pala. So the mode is 8 because 8 appears twice. Yan. How about this one? Which number is the mode? So we arrange them together, and 9 appeared thrice, kaya ang ating pong mode is equal to 9. How about this? (21). So ang ating mode is equal to 21. Okay. So what if, ang question po is like this, which number is the mode? We have 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 9, 9, 9, 10, 10. Mapapansin natin, 2 and 9 appeared thrice, 4 and 1 appeared once, 10 appeared twice. What do you think is the mode for this set of numbers? And therefore, ang ating pong mode for the set of numbers is equal to 2 and 9. Why do you think the answer is equal to 2 and 9? So again, in a set of numbers, it can be na more than 2 or more than 1 po ang ating mode. As long as they appeared in the same number. Let's say they appeared thrice, or the 3 numbers appeared thrice, or the 2 numbers appeared thrice, as long as same number yung appearance nila. Okay? Pero kung tulad ng example natin kanina na 2 and 2, and then 1 and 1 and 1, tatlong 1, and then dalawang 2, automatically ang sagot ng mode natin ay equal to 1. Kasi nga, 1 appeared thrice. So for this one, makikita natin na yung 2 and 9 appeared in the same time. Nag-appeared sila thrice. Therefore, ang ating pong mode is equal to 2 and 9. What if the given set of numbers is given this way? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, and 9. What do you think is the mode for this set of numbers? Kapag ang isang set of numbers appeared on the same time, ibig sabihin walang mas madaming nag-appear, same sila ng number of times na nag-appear, wala pong mode yung set of numbers. Now, let's differentiate naman, ano nga ba ang pagkakaiba between the mean, the median, and the mode? The mean, the median, and the mode, when we talk about mean, we add all the numbers, and then we divide that by the number of addends. Should I say, very common na ginagamit natin na term is, we look for the average. That's how we find for the mean. While the median naman, we arrange first the set of numbers and we look for the middle numbers. What if pala there are two middle numbers? How do we solve for the median? Okay, so we add the two numbers and then we divide that by 2. Yeah, so moving forward, the next one is we talk about the range naman. When we talk about range, range is the distance between. Meaning, if we are going to define that further, when we say range, it is the difference between the greatest and the least value in a set of numbers. I'll repeat, for us to find the range, that's the difference between the greatest and the least value in a set of numbers. Let's say we have 1, 1, 3, 7, 10, and 13. For us to get the mean, we look for the least value, we look for the greatest value, and then we subtract them together. That's equal to 12. So therefore, ang ating pong range is equal to 12. In a set of numbers, unang tingin pa lang natin, ma-identify na agad natin kung sino yung least at ano yung greatest number. So pag na-identify na natin yung maliit na value and then yung big number, we subtract lang them together, then that would be our range. But to be more specific, given a set of numbers, the steps in finding for the range is we arrange the numbers in order from least to greatest. I-arrange muna natin from least to greatest. So if we have 21, 18, 24, 19, and 27, arranging that set of numbers, ang magiging sagot po natin ay 18, 19, 21, 24, and 27. We look for the highest and lowest number. Hanapin natin yung lowest and highest number, that is 18 and 27. Okay? And we find the difference between this number. That's the step number 3. That's 27 minus 18. That would give us 9. So therefore, the range is 9. Again, kung nagmamadali tayo, let's say, ang given lang naman is multiple choice. Para mas madali nating masolve ang range, we look for the least value and the bigger value. We subtract lang them together. Then that's the answer would be the range, yung difference. So let's have here an example. What is the range of the set of numbers? You can type your answers on the chat box. Again, for us to find the mean, arrange lang natin. We look for the least value and the bigger value. We subtract lang them together. 29 minus 4. That's why we have equal to 25. The range is equal to 25. How about this one? What is the range for the set of numbers? (21) is the least, 32 is the greatest number. We subtract lang them together. That's why we have 11. Okay, how about this one? What is the range? So we have 3 and 31, that is equal to 28. So the range is equal to 28. Let's have another one. What is the range for this set of numbers? Okay, so dito po ang sagot po natin is equal to 34. The range is equal to 34.